Welcome to the Mcrv. Drew and I had just arrived in Philadelphia, and they're apparently celebrating with fireworks.
Our arrival. We called ahead.
Wow, what a lucky day. Can you guys even see this? Oh. Ooh. Ah. Well, we just thought we'd share this moment with you. It's actually a preliminary video leading up to perhaps a demonstration of our own. You'll have to wait to find out. Drew, anything to add?
Nope. Sounds good. I mean, yeah. The moral of the story is call ahead when you're arriving in Philadelphia, and they'll put on a fireworks display for you.
All right. That's it from Philly. Talk to you later.